My name is Lemuel Gulliver. I am English. I studied medicine and became a ship's doctor. In May 1699, our ship left England on the way to Indonesia. There was a high storm. Our ship began to sink. I fell into the dark sea. I swam for a long time. Then I saw an island. I swam to shore and fell asleep. When I woke up, I couldn't move. There were many tiny men around me. They tied me to the ground. I tried to get up. Suddenly, I felt pain. They were shouting around at me. I stopped moving. The next day, they carried me to the city. The emperor untied me. Some of his men